Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting sounds w and g. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the w sound in the word wait. Wait, wait. Now the g sound in the word gate. Gate, gate. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Please wait by the gate. Please wait by the gate. Please wait by the gate. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!